Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 10 says x over 2 plus 3/7 equals 3/4. So the first step in my four-step process is to eliminate fractions by multiplying both sides by the least common denominator. I have denominators of 2, 7, and 4. So the least common denominator would be 28. So I'm going to multiply the left side by 28, and as I did in the previous problems, I'm going to put a 28 by every term, and I'm going to multiply the right side by 28. And then I'm going to follow the same process. 2 divides into 28 14 times. 14 times x is 14x. Plus 7 divides into 28 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. On the right side, 4 divides into 28 7 times, and 7 times 3 is 21. So the first step, eliminate fractions, is complete. Step 2, simplify sides, is already done. 14x plus 12 is in simplest form on the left side, and 21 is in simplest form on the right side. Step 3, I'm going to add opposites in order to isolate my variable terms on one side and my number terms on the other side. So I'm going to subtract 12 from both sides. Positive 12 minus 12 is 0. 0 plus 14x is 14x on the left side, and 21 minus 12 is 9. Now I'm going to go to step 4, which is to divide both sides by the coefficient on the variable term, which is 14. So 14 divided by 14 is 1, leaving me with x on the left side. And 9 divided by 14 is not a clean division, so I'll just express it as the fraction 9 over 14. So x equals 9 over 14.